Okay, in today's video, we are going to be looking at an app called Wonder Charge app. Okay, and what it is you're going to be able to be paid up to $500 for charging your phone. Okay, so let's find out whether Wonder Charge is legit. Does it pay out? How does it all work? Find out right now. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so before we go over and install Wonder Charge, we're going to show you exactly what happens when you install and how quickly you can actually earn $500 while charging your phone. So as you can see here, it's had 50,000 plus downloads and hasn't got any views at all at the moment, so it doesn't actually say, but it's only updated on the 9th of November, so that's fairly recently. So that's why we're going to go and check it. And as it says here, earn more money, have fun in a game, and huge rewards to win. So let's go and prove and find out whether you can actually make money charging your phone with Wonder Charge. Okay, so this is the first page you come to, and as it says here, welcome to Wonder Charge. And are you ready to win cash for charging and playing games? Okay, and it says I've got to hit the confirm button, and it's showing you here all the different ways that they're supposed to pay out. So we've got PayPal and Coinbase, which would obviously be crypto. So let's just click on the confirm button here now. It says choose a payment platform so that cash is delivered to your account accurately. So I would choose, and it's already got PayPal highlighted here. So they're presuming that most people are going to want PayPal. So I would then will be PayPal. So I click that and click confirm. So it says here, get points for charging and playing games and redeem for cash rewards. Our platform will deliver it to your account within 1 working day. Okay, and it says you can get $500, $1,000, $1,500, and $3,000 for doing these tasks. And it says obviously confirm the button. So I confirm that, and it says here down the bottom left here, come and earn money by charging or playing games. So it also says here now about charging. Okay, now it says it's 29%. So my phone, let's just have a quick check. See what it says on my phone, 29%. So straight away it does know what my phone is actually logged into, so it can take that reading. Okay, so it says please plug into your charger cable. You can automatically earn points by charging. So and straight away it's actually given me 50 coins or stars or whatever they are. It says get more points here for playing games. So you've got all these different things here. It says here play games to earn points. See what else happens. So let's just say, oh, I've done nothing, and I've got another 50 points. Now I've only got to get to 5,000. I can withdraw up to $500. Yes, it seems to be giving me 50 points randomly, and I'm not actually doing anything, which is a bit worrying, to be honest. So straight away, that is the first alarm bell here. So let's now just go and plug my phone in, because I'm now on 28%, and see what happens. Now straight away, as soon as I've plugged it in, I've got 1,000 points went straight into my account. It says it's currently actually charging. Now, while that's charging, let's just quickly go. There's another few 40 points been added. Let's quickly go and check on the games and see how that works. Not that we're really into wanting to actually play games. We're worried it advertises really for charging your phone, like an ad. So we just got to click up here. So that's what it's telling us to do. So Sarah says I've got 800 coins. 700 coins, and now it says I can tap it again, and now I can get 500. So let's times it by 2. So this is just an ad that obviously is going to pop up, and it's telling me to go and download Funzine, okay, which is another reward and it's saying that I can get paid per minute, PayPal, cash, etc. Let's just wait and see this ad actually finish. Go, I've just been added another 1,210 points. So I'm nearly already up to my 5,000 points. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to leave this now charging. As you can see, we're up to 30% charge. And I'm going to leave it, not do anything else. We're on 3,790 points. So I'm just going to stop the video now, let it charge up for an hour or so. And see how much we get for actually charging the phone, and then see if we hit the 5,000 and see whether we can actually go and get the withdrawal. So again, I've just been rewarded another load of points again. So again, let's just stop the video now and we'll come back in a while once we have worked out whether it's charging and what I've got paid to charge. Okay, so that's just a quick update. I've come on, we're up to 46% on my charging now, and we're up to over 4,000 coins. So we're heading towards the 5,000 coins. So let's just wait and see. Just another, it says there another 800 actually added, although I don't think 800 was added. So I don't quite know what that was. It says receive. So let's just see, we'll just click on the receive. It says I've earned 300 coins and I can claim it and double it up to 600 by clicking that. So I'm up to nearly up to the 5,000 mark here. It says really that I can receive again now. It's now pulsating again. And now I can receive 100 and I can obviously double that up to 200. Now we've obviously gone on to another ad here, so I'll leave that to play and we'll come back in a sec. Oh, so I'm very close to the 5,000 mark, and obviously we're just coming round again, and it's going to say I can receive more money now, and I'm only on 48%. So we started on, I think it was 28%. We've gone up 20% on the charger. Oh, some more coins just been added and I can click receive. So let's just have a look. And it's now brought me on to this. Congratulations. And I can get, it says open the 4 treasure chests and you can get up to 10,000 points at the most. Well, times 5. Oh, this is another ad. And this is, I think, what it's always going to be, guys. It's just going to be more and more ads. Will they pay out? Probably not. They're going to get you to obviously say that you can obviously either pay to have it withdrawn, or you're going to actually then have to watch more ads for it to actually get be able to withdraw. And it's just going to be a never-ending circle, guys, which you're never ever going to really get to. I think that's what's going to happen. But let's just have a see and see if we can work this through and see if we can get to 5,000 points and then go from there. Again, tapping that one, another ad. Boom. Oh, look. Oh, we've crossed it. As it says here, 5,000 points we've got, and we've only actually hit 49%. So can you withdraw? Okay, so it says apply here, and it also says withdraw down this bottom corner. So let's try on apply. And it says I can redeem. Okay, so it says I can redeem. So let's just try and redeem. Okay, so it's actually saying here, congratulations, you are currently redeemable for $500 US. The system will send you a transaction information through PayPal platform. So collecting, congratulations, you have completed the collection. Please redeem it now. So let's redeem and see what happens. It says it's requesting. Now, if it says here, fill in your account details. So that's now requesting. Bing. Confirm. So it's now saying amount to whatever it is to PayPal. So requesting. Right, it's now saying order activated. Congratulations on getting your order. You will need to activate your order. Please watch the video 15 times within the 24 hours to activate. Otherwise, your order will be invalid. Or I can pay $1.99. Whatever you do, guys, don't pay the $1.99. That's what they want you to do. Or you can actually go and earn and watch just 15 videos, watch the video 15 times. Again, don't go and do this, guys. It's a waste of time. You will then come back and it will then say you've now got to watch it another 30 times. Or you can pay $1.99. And the amount of people that probably actually pay the $1.99 and then go, looks like it's a scam. And then obviously can't be bothered to get the $1.99 back. These people are probably collecting thousands of dollars. So yes, unfortunately, this is not going to be true, guys. It's as simple as that. Let's see if we can down cross it. That's obviously said it's been redeemed. This will carry on charging, and it will carry, look, straight away I've got 53, 58 obviously been rolled over. And again, I can press receive here. Oh, and I've got another 1,000. So that's funny how we've redeemed one, and now all of a sudden we can double it up and we can get big amounts coming through again until we get near the end where you're going to have to launch more videos and more ads. And that's all they want you to do, guys. It's all about watching ads, and that's how they make their money. Okay, so you're not going to get paid, or if you are, you're going to have to watch so many ads before you actually get paid. But like I say, $500, you're not going to get paid $500 just for watching a few ads. This is just unreal. It's not going to happen, guys. So I'm sorry, but you're not actually going to get paid for, so you can't actually earn $500 for charging your phone. As you can see, bang, 2,000 straight away. And again, we're only on 51% on the charging. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.